I'm gonna put a pillow behind you, okay? Just. How's that feel? It's good, okay. Thank you.
Hey, Cynthia and Annette, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Good. So, Annette, tell me, what did caregiving look like back in the 20s?
A lot of us either cared for someone or needed care for ourselves, and we did it quietly. Neighbors stopping by with casseroles, daughters slipping out of work early, sons learning to bathe their fathers. Well, not an experience that I would recommend. What we really needed back then was a break, a hand, just someone who understood.
What changed with the all ages, all stages?
For the first time, it seemed like someone was seeing the whole picture. They were connecting the dots between the caregiver and the actual time off, between dementia teams and trained specialists, between local churches and tech tools. I became a techie at 78.
And I'll never forget that.
It wasn't just aging at home. It was aging with support and especially with dignity.
And with backup.
So did that support make a big difference?
Oh, absolutely. I remember the day we first found the caregiver portal.
It felt like someone finally handed me a map and said, "You're not alone."
And that changed everything for both of us.
Yes, it did.
So what about now?
Oh, well, now I am 95 years old. And I didn't just stay in my home. I stayed in my family story without being a burden. Well, mostly.
A future like this isn't something we have to imagine. It's what happens when a state comes together to care for one another, plan ahead, and do better. This is your North Carolina. Join the effort to make it ready for all ages, all stages,